Mitch, and for today's episode, I'm going to show you what's inside my work bag. So, this is the bag that I am using every day, a big one. Before, I am just using like a small bag, but now, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng hangin ang tumama sa akin at gumagamit na ako ng ganito kalaking bag. And it feels like hindi kasya lahat ng dinadala ko pa. So, this is the inside. Oh, wait lang. This is my bag. Ganito siya sa loob. Walang pocket or anything inside. Ito kasi yung gusto kong bag. Yung parang pasok lang ako ng pasok ng lahat ng nandyan. I don't need to organize it. Kasi maayos naman siya. Okay, kailangan ko lang ng madaming pouch para pasok na ako ng pasok. Ganun. So, ayun. First thing in my bag is, of course, my ID. This is my company ID. I'm not wearing it because I don't like the... Sorry. So, this is my company ID. First one. Second, of course, like I have my coin purse. Yan, lahat ng coins ko andito. Wallet. Ayan. Small wallet, cards and IDs. And I don't have money here. But I have 100 baht and what is this? 5 real. So, ayan. Thai and Saudi money. Walang Philippine peso. Poor. Char. Next is passport. My passport is always with me, of course. Kasi nga, here in the Philippines, this is a valid ID. Kaya, it is always with me. My passport is always with me. Every day. Hindi ko siya inaalis sa bag ko. Third is like, this one. I have my false eyelashes with me always. Kasi syempre, pag natanggal yung ano ko dyan isa, easy lang. Lalagay ko na, papalitan ko na agad. So, ayun. Mabilis lang tong ilagay, guys. Like, meron na siyang sariling adhesive and then you're just going to put it there. Hindi mo na kailangan ng glue. Okay, ang bilis kong magsalita. Pero intindihin nyo na lang. So, this one. Next is, I have my notebook with me. Ayan. So, this is my, oh, naglag. What is this? A planner, a journal. Like, this is my everyday thoughts. I am writing here. A lot of stickers though. There are a lot of stickers, okay? Ayan, gusto mong basahin. Magaganda yan mga ano dyan, sayings ng aking stickers. So, I have here sample. The best is yet to come. Second is I have remember why you started. And then, keep searching, you will find it. So, ayan. If you want like this, guys, I'm going to put the page of my cousin there. You can buy like this stuff. Sticker to. So, ayan. Meron, God loves you. Mistakes are proof you are trying. So, ayun. Ang chika ko, no? Wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-share yung mga nakasulat dito kasi magaganda siya. Mga motivational quotes, sayings, words, and everything. So, this is always with me also para kung sabog yung utak ko and I want to write something and just write it here. Okay? So, eto, all in. Lahat. Nandito. Hindi naman lahat. So, pag gusto kong magsulat ng aking thoughts or feelings or plans, it is here. I also have my ball pen, of course. Here. Ball pen. I have my... Wait, a lot. This one. A mini fan. Kasi, it is so hot, syempre. Ang init-init na dito sa Philippines. So, parang everyone has this one na. Kaya, I also have this. Kasi kahit morning, super init. Lalo na sa jeep. So, I have this one. I have 2 pouch here for my makeup, but I'm gonna open it later. Okay, one by one. I have this one, cream. Ayan, cream. For my face. I have Skin So Soft lotion. Yeah, nasa bag ko to. Bakit? Charger, of course. I have my curler. What is? Lashes. for my lashes, perfume. This is the perfume that I am using. Like, the Bambino from Bench. Sobrang bango. Kahit napagpawisan ka hanggang hapon na yung amoy mo. May pink version nito. I love pink, pero mas mabango to at mas masarap yung amoy kahit na pinagpawisan ka na. So, ito yung binili ko. I have my earpods. Diba? Pink. I love pink, guys. Huwag ka magtaka. I have my ponytail. I have my chocolate. I have my keys. Yan. Bakit ba nandito ako lahat? So, dito ko pinapakita lahat. Ito kasi nakikita mo kong space. Kaya dito lahat nung ano ko. Pwede naman dito. Bahala kayo. So, ayun. Ngayon, this one na sa aking mga pouch. First pouch is my makeups. I have powder in here. I have a medicine this is like a Sterizen for allergies. Eyeshadow. Before, I am not a fan of makeups. I'm not a fan of like lashes, like Theo. Pero ngayon, hindi ako nakakaalis ng walang makeup or lipstick. Wala lang. Nagbago na yung buhay ko. Char. I have eyebrows. And I also have, bakit pa kasi dito? Dito nga. Pwede naman. Binabalik ko yung sarili ko. So, I have this one. This is for my, dito, sa mata. Like the tape for hooded eye. Ayan. Ito siya. Diba? Ayan eh. Diba? Yan. Ginagamit ko siya. I'm using this if I'm going to wear eyeshadows like that para kasi kita siya. Kasi yung eyes ko is hooded. Like, you know. O, diba? Ganon. Kaya, ayan. I have this one. So, ayun yung nasa first pouch ko. Oh, I also have like eyebrows brush. Okay? So, ito yung nasa first pouch ko. Second pouch is, tadan! Color pink. A lipstick. I saw the lipsticks, that's why I wrapped. So, lipstick. Another eyebrows. Tignan nyo to. Pink. This is like, blush on and the lipstick. And pwede ding eyeshadow. So, ginagamit ko siya. This is 3-in-1 for me. I have like another lipstick. This is like, what is this? I forgot. Tweezer. This is a tweezer for my lashes. I have makeup brushes. Oh, I have makeup brushes here. Ito siya. Ayan. Diba? Hirap naman akong hawakan. Oh! Laglag. Makeup brushes. This one. And, wait. What else? Eyeliner. Sponge. For makeup pa din. So, ayun. Yun yung nasa second pouch ko, guys. I have 11 pesos coins. Char, nalaglag lang siya dito sa bag ko. Oh, so ayun lang yung nasa bag ko. Okay? Everything. Kasi ba, wala siyang packet. Ganyan lang. Para lagay lang ako ng lagay. So, ayun yung lahat ng aking dinadala every day. Those are the things inside my work bag. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And also, salamat sa 500 subscribers ko. Inabot ako ng 500. Diba? More subscribers to come. Diba? Celebrate small wins, guys. It's okay. Bye.